17th of April, 17th of April 2024. Today is Wednesday. Market is about to open in 3 minutes. Sorry, in 7 minutes. I'm watching Nasdaq. The plan for today is actually this. I'm hoping for a drop somewhere here to get in long. And we're going to push to 18,000 on Nasdaq. AI is a similar story, but the problem is that we might not get that. We might not get that pullback. So I don't see liquidity here anymore. US is looking a little bit better on liquidity. It could drop to 110. Five more minutes. It can happen at the open. Two things can happen. We can push and sell into that and then drop. Or we can just continue higher. I'm not gonna get in here long. Yeah. It looks like we could get a push to this 18,000 at the open. And continue higher. If that happens, I'm not going to chase this. Just gonna hold on from trading, basically. Let's see. 3 more minutes. Two more minutes. I'm tempted to short this bet, but I want to do it 2 minutes before the open. We'll see. Liquidity down here. There you go. 142. Oh, yes. Liquidity gone. Empty. Bookmap empty. $30. I could push and sell into this, and then we can drop. Can happen. There was some liquidity here as well. Market is open.
Looking now to
Ninja Trader is thinking.
120 million to the buy side.
Let's wait for a little pullback.
Order submitted.
Didn't
Order
get it.
canceled. Order
Let's just try
filled.
now. We're gonna break lower. Or we're gonna push up. Okay. What are you gonna do now?
Order filled.
Let's see if we're gonna get continuation. Come on. Problem. Okay, now. Oof. To take the loss. Let's go long. Looks like there was just a pullback. And I was a little bit in profit. Let's quickly have a look what ES did. ES is just empty. What is going on? Ah,
Order
going
filled.
lower. God damn it. What a bad start. What a bad start. Oh, we want to go up now.
Order filled. Order filled.
Fucking hell. And every time I try to go long, they're selling. God damn it. Jesus. What a silly training of mine. I didn't sleep well today. And now I'm long. No.
Order filled.
Need it. -1 fucking thousand. Beautiful start. Alright then.
Order
I think we're
filled.
gonna drop now. Get something back. No way. God damn it. Are you kidding me? Need to stay here. You literally have to scalp 10 points.
Order
I'm
filled.
fucking out of here. It's the last minute of this countdown. I'll sell now. Let's drop below the fucking 35 now. Let's see if we're gonna drop lower. Yeah, break that low now.
Order
Going one.
cancelled. Order
Okay,
filled.
cover 5. Let's see if we're gonna get continuation to the downside. There we go. It's breaking now. It needs to get down to this liquidity pool at 80, possibly here. Possibly here. That's what I want to do. Let's see what ES is doing. Climbing back, god damn it. I'd like to add, but looks like we're gonna climb back. 43. Holding. They are holding this. Oh. Should I take that? Alright, the last 30 seconds on this candle. Let's see how this is gonna end. Let's see. We might go down now. ES is dropping. We're trying.
Order filled.
We try
Order
long.
filled.
Let's see if we can actually push. I see that ES is trying. Looks like we could go higher. $47, $50, and then we can start pushing up and then push towards this 18,000. It's possible. So yeah, alright, let's hold this long then. If this market doesn't want to drop, ES is trying higher. Oh fuck yeah. God damn it. It's a continuation.
Order filled. Order filled.
Let's try.
Order filled.
So following the Biden administration wanting 25% tariffs on steel and aluminium imports from China, aluminium prices rising to the highest level since February of 2023.
Continue.
Order canceled. Order filled.
Just
Order
go ahead now.
Order Order filled.
Fucking hell.
Order
Alright.
filled.
Let's see, they front run at 900. Let's see if we can continue lower. Oh, the flush down here.
Order submitted.
Let's say just so close one here, basically. It's
Order
not doing
canceled.
it.
Order canceled.
Let's just stay there. Good.
Order filled.
Alright, that brings us to minus 296. Unfortunate start. We were down minus 1000. And for me, that's a win. Because that was nasty. We're gonna continue now. 52. Let's just try one more time. See if we're gonna continue. Oh, yo, yo, yo. Uh, 52. We have still time.
Order
Let's see
filled.
if we can. Okay. I think we can continue. How is this looking? NQ, sorry, yes. Not much, really. Not much there.
Order
Yeah.
filled.
Not much. We did grab the liquidity. So, what was my plan? Let's quickly have a look. Trying to go long somewhere here, 60s. If we get 60s, we haven't gotten 60s yet, so. I like
Order submit. Order filled.
that. I should go to the 60s.
Order
I'm
filled.
gonna add 7 more minutes. Come on, come on, come on. Push, push, push.
Order,
We're just
order
gonna cover
canceled.
one. Let's see if we can see how far we can go. I want to add into this. I'm gonna add into that if we push higher. 5 more minutes. Okay, a little bit of push. Looks like this market. I would like to see a flash through this 80. Okay, the market is pulling higher. Yes, I think we're gonna push lower. ES has got some space to go lower as well. Market doesn't need to go up right now. I have still 4 minutes on this period. So, okay, not much liquidity here. Towards 100. Three more minutes on this period.
Order filled.
Yeah, that brings me to minus $51. That's okay. All right, 2 more minutes. Let's see. Let's look at this bounce.
Orders.
I wanna
filled.
get in one more time. We're trading to the downside.
Order filled.
Break of this low at the 4 hour. One minute, 50 seconds. Just try to break the low at the full hour. Ten seconds.
Order filled.
Alright, that brings us to plus $53. That is looking better now. Alright, they did take that. What a bad start. What a bad start. But we managed to get out from the bad trade. Initially, we're quite... It was okay, you know, I jumped on that short somewhere here. So we were going to have a continuation. Didn't happen. They pulled us up. I went long. Got stopped again. Yeah, just terrible start, basically. But then I noticed that, okay, we're not pushing higher. Tick chart was dropping. I kept that. And we made some money here on the way down. Alright, let's move to the next trade. Very choppy, open. ES still has got space to get to this order block. That's the liquidity as well. That's the fair value gap. Basically, I'm still thinking about this a plan that I had. So I want 60s somewhere here, 60s on NQ. $95, $96 on ES. Let's see. So 60s are here, but at the same time I need ES to be at 95, 97. If it's not there, then means we can still continue lower. Look at that. It's like market is giving up, really.
Order filled.
Don't know if I'm chasing
Order
it. Right
filled.
now. No, don't do that. Because I'm basically buying into this. Order block.
Do you want to stay up to date with the latest and be on the bleeding edge of news for non-farm payrolls? Then sign up today and get our special offer of Financial Juicer Pro for a year's worth
Okay,
of service.
so we are tapping into this 50s,
and save 92
which is great. Still have a little bit of liquidity down here. Could go and grab that. Especially that ES is just hovering at 5,100. So my question is, are we gonna continue? Are we gonna... I'm gonna reverse him. Okay, 100 still on ES. Waiting, 97, 95. Good. Beautiful drop. Yes, has got a little bit more space to the downside. 95. It's trading 99 now, 100. Yes, pulling back to 100. Let's wait a little bit. Yeah, the 95 is what I'm looking for on ES. We had some stop losses bursting here on this drop. Minus 2,300. Had some stops popping. Shorts are covering. Let's wait for it. He has to drop to this 95. It's at 100 right now. Still, I think we're gonna continue lower, but I'm not gonna sell here. If I see this a bit higher, I might go short. ES is trading 101. No, I'm not gonna short this. I'm gonna wait for long. Just wait for good long. It took that liquidity here. This is RTH from yesterday. This is RTH, sorry. They grabbed basically everything. There's a lot of buying here in the pre-market. Now with this drop, they took that liquidity, and I would say this is where they should turn around. Wow, ES is already 104. Ooh. Let's try to get in on the pullback. I mean on the retracement here. That looks promising. This flash to the downside was just the moment when everybody gave a position. Gave back long positions. The stops were triggered. This is looking very good for long side. Look at the delta. So now it's literally a place. We need to look for a place to get in. What was that? What's the price? 3, which is 10. Wow. It's just pushing. ES is 105. Let's have a look quickly on ES. Do we see? Yeah, we see 500, 5,100. And liquidity can be traded again. Okay, 1,434 delta. Now we're dropping to 500 only. So sellers stepped in again. All right. Just looking here on 15 minutes. There is liquidity here if they want to go and do that during the day. I'd like to see like a
France's
final
Finance Minister
push in
Le Maire
here.
says Europe must show its teeth to defend trade interests against China, but does not want a trade war.
This delta is 365, so it's not a lot. We could go lower into this RTH level. $819. quickly have a look where the QQQ is. QQQ. How far are we from the gap? There you go. Still dropping. Okay, on QQQ. Look at that. Still have a lot to cover this gap. It's 5 points. This is quite a big number. 1,500. There we go. Yes, just breaking 96. Going down. Delta minus 2000, that's big. 2000, 2000. That's a fair value gap. Who knows? We might even go down here. Look at that. Woof. These were stops popping for sure. I'm gonna get in with one long just to try to get the pop. Little pop. We tapped into the fair value gap on the US. Bullish one. Tick chart is coming back above zero. Let's see. Let's see if we're gonna get a nice pop. Alright. It's okay. Brings us to 200. That's enough. Well, let's watch this. I mean, market really collapsed. We're gonna reverse, I think. At least temporary. It's 4 hours. QQ has got space to this. This is RTH, look at it. $15. I think we can start to think slowly about building position. The momentum is to the downside, but we can chop around now. We got 15 more minutes to create liquidity here. How is Nvidia doing anyway? Let's quickly have a look at Nvidia. Alright, so Nvidia is back to down side as well. I think this A77800 is kind of inviting. Yeah. Yes. How about here? 5090. Oh, yes. Look at NVIDIA. So we pushed. Selling it again. Got somebody waiting here. 7900. That would be beautiful. That would be a beautiful trade. We could catch that long.
Order
It's trying to
filled.
go. Let's have a look. 17900. Does it mean we have to go there straight away? But I don't think we're gonna drop. After all that drop, it's time. A little. I might get a better position later. Next 5 minutes. Yeah. I think I rushed into that too.
So looking now to the fear and greed index, 40 out of 100 indicating fear, and the crypto fear and greed index is at 67 out of 100 indicating greed. Let's keep an eye on the VIX as well. It's currently trading around 17.92. It's down 2.5%.
Order
Right,
filled.
get out from this thing. We'll try to catch this somewhere here.
Order submitted.
Better entry. 25.
Protect your trades from
I need to do it now.
risk with Financial Juice Pro.
Try to
Now
buy the
99
bottom of this range.
for our real-time service.
Because here we got trapped longs and they're getting out. Whatever push. So. Yeah. Come on, push lower. 16 seconds on this count. Past. So this is the last candle I can catch on a range trading here.
In 10 minutes time now at the bottom of the hour, see the release of the weekly EIA inventories numbers. Crude oil inventories forecast as a build of 1.64 million on the prior build of 5.841 million. Range sees a build of 3.264 million to a draw of 1 million expected. Gasoline inventories forecast as a draw of 1 million on the prior build of
Order
0.715
submitted.
million. Distillate inventories forecast is a draw of 0.9 million on the prior build of 1.659 million. Inventories of crude in Cushing, the prior was a draw of 0.17 million. So just note as well, following the bell yesterday, we had the API crude oil stock change. This did come in at a build of 4.09 million.
Let's see if it can be more,
Order cancelled.
like more, if it can be more greedy to grab the best possible entry. Two more minutes, 3 more minutes on this candle. Dip in them, finish, and then you win. There you go.
Order
There you go.
filled.
So we're in.
GFZ reporting as a 6.2 magnitude earthquake in Shikoku, Japan.
Took that 15-minute. Alright. They did take that 15-minute candle. The 17,900 is still waiting there. They grabbed the liquidity on RTH during RTH session. So I'm even thinking I might even add if we drop a little bit lower. Well, 17,800. Let's just wait a little bit. I'm gonna go 5. 17. All right. So they grabbed it 15 minutes candle. They grabbed this liquidity. So let's see how far I can go with this. ES is pulling as well. Got some buyers. I'm gonna add.
Stocks here. Nvidia's down 1.4%.
Wish I had that here, but
AMD
it's all right.
1.6% down. Micron's down 1.5% as well.
Got 6 more minutes. We can just push here and try to sell somewhere here.
Order
Add
filled.
more. Damn it,
Order
I'm
filled.
grabbing this because too often I don't take the trade and it's coming back. Plus I don't like the fact that we have 4 minutes. Okay, plus 520. on a day. I can see it's struggling here. We might have a one more dip, possibly in 4 minutes. We can go and grab even this liquidity down here. I don't know. We might do that, but no. There we go. So they are pushing it. No, without me. Classic. But that's okay. We are $500 up. I did add, you know, I was 5 and then I add another 4, so I was 9. I think I closed somewhere here in this area, right? Yeah, that's what I closed. Exactly. So I don't feel bad about it because I've gotten a little push. 10 points more, but it's alright. It doesn't look like it's gonna now go, right? It will give one more pullback in 3 minutes. In 3 minutes, we will have that period and that low. I don't think we're gonna go there, but we might go close. Yeah, this is what I sold anyway. No, we're trading below. Okay. Nice push to take the shorts out. Shorts from here, from there. Fair value gap here. 5 minutes. The rest of it basically, but still there is some. What that thing was, just a short covering. And we'll see now if you're gonna get more buyers. This candle is looking quite good, 1,700. Let's look at our plan one more time. '60s, we got even lower.
1 minute remaining. I'll lead with the EIA.
But here,
all inventory.
we want 94.5. And yeah, we got 94.5. We got even 91, 90. So let's see how is this going to behave around this price. He has just dropped, basically closed that gap. As internal gap. 1 minute, 15 seconds. Crude oil inventories in 4 seconds. Let's see.
Build 2.735 million. Build 2.735 million. That's higher than the expected build of 1.75 million. Gasoline inventories, a draw of 1.154 million. Draw of 1.154 million. Lower than the expected draw of 1 million. Distillate inventories, a draw of 2.76 million. Draw 2.76 million. Lower than expected draw 0.9 million. Inventories of crude in Cushing near flat at a build of 0.033 million. It's just a build of 0.033 million. Noting some strength in WTI crude here.
Do you want to stay up to date with the latest?
So now we're just gonna wait for price to dip in.
And get our special offer
We'll be buying the dips.
for a year's worth of our service. for the price of $1.
But I want to see first whether we come and grab that low. Are we just gonna go below this candle? That liquidity is still waiting to be served, but I can wait the 4 hours. Doesn't mean it will need to be served right now. Nevertheless, it will be a magnet for the market. Market will try to push. Sorry. Okay, so I do want for my entry,
We have posted out the weekly EIA
I want
inventory
this.
report on the feed for anyone interested.
I want this low to be taken, and I'm even willing to short this for even from here. 72. All right, 90 is waiting here. We have half an hour to the next period. We can just shop around here now for a while. Most likely chop around here now. So we'll come down here. Buyers will step in.
So US crude futures hold steady following
So
the
what
EIA
the
data,
range
larger than
on this
expected
candle is?
inventory build.
57,
Bundesbank's Nagel, Steve
36.
Nagel, says price
20
pressure in the
points.
Eurozone could continue for some time.
It's a decent range to grab some, 7-8 points by trading the edges. I would prefer to buy that than short that. But
Order submitted.
ECB Nagel says
let's wait.
not completely clear if inflation
Maybe
will
we'll drop
continue
down
to
here
target next year and stay at this level.
to grab the liquidity. We're gonna go lower. Who knows? Let's watch this clearly. Ooh, we bought it.
ECB's Nagel adds the likelihood of a June cut has increased.
No. Let's see.
ECB's Nagel says oil price and wage developments are among risks. I
Can't get in there. the thing. You just need to basically buy the drop. Liquidity dried down a bit.
US Trade Representative Tai says, I expect to conclude the review of the Section 301 China tariffs very soon. This is in reference to the China tariffs on aluminium and
I'll
steel
try to grab
imports.
that somewhere here. Cheaper price, give me cheaper
Order
price.
filled.
Alright, okay. Let's see. And now we'll be selling it somewhere here. Oops, stop loss needs to be here, below. Not great. Oh, I'm gonna hold this now. Okay. They might go and grab that low. Okay, so they pulled it quite nicely. Let's see if we're gonna push this up into the highs on the next candle. Now I'm gonna get out from this. Wait for second candle. I might get a better position somewhere here.
Order submitted.
A new one will open, dip in, and go. Doing it now. So we didn't make any money on this. We didn't lose anything as well. It's just still 517. $25. 7 more seconds. Okay, let's this market wants to go a little bit lower. But it just looks like it. Oh, there you go. So we have this candle. We're gonna,
Order
there we
filled.
go. Alright, so we're in again. A bit better position. And let's see if this candle's gonna finish up here and go to this level. Maybe not up there. I'm not gonna be so greedy because that is 30 points that I'm expecting to go. That's a lot. It's a lot of points for scalp. I'm gonna be happy with 20. 24, 45. That's 20 points, and I'm gonna be very happy with that. Because you might overstay your welcome if you try to especially in those ranges. If you try to take more, you can overstay your welcome on. I'm thinking actually right now if I'm not overstaying it already. Okay, they want to go higher. They're pushing. Okay,
Order filled.
130. So okay. Brings us to 640. Probably gonna go to this level. But remember, that's scalp. That's not a trade. That's not a trend. You get in, get out, and you get paid. Because that liquidity here, which is trying to push, you know, there you go. You can send this even lower, and then you're gonna be trapped and start adding, and you're gonna run out of time. By saying run out of time, we are trading right now between the periods. Between the period, that's a period. We had period A, B. This is period C. So we are trading between the period B and C at the moment. So B finished, C started, and you have half an hour of trading here. Not even that, like 15 minutes. You got actually 3 candles here. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, maybe here. Up to 45, 50. That's it. And from 50, when the price gets to 10, 50, forget about this stuff, because market might prepare for another move, higher, lower. We don't know which way. So it did went up here, then it retraced here, and now it's going to push higher. Do I want to buy this here? No, because I'm not thinking about continuation. I don't think about continuation on this candle. This is just a little range. Literally trying to grab 7, 8, 10 points. You know, 13, 14 points. It's great. Look at that. You chased that, you jumped on that. You're down 10 points. They will pull you down. Pull you here. Where your stop is gonna be here. They're gonna drive this lower, hold it for another 15 minutes, break, go down. You will probably add twice here. Suddenly you have 15 contracts. Your entry is somewhere here. You're done. You know, a drop to 780 and below. Because you don't know, and you're not gonna close. Why are you not gonna close? No. Because you're degenerate. Just like me. But I learned not to be greedy. Not. Greed is good when the market is trending, but not in these ranges. Here, you're trying to grab little, you know, candy money. It's not candy money. $100, It's not candy money. But that's a blessing. This kind of range. People hate this kind of job. I do like it because, you know, if I get it wrong somewhere at the open, like I just got chopped at the open on a continuation trade. Here, I can make some money back, you know. Let's look at this. We've been minus 1,200 at the open. Look where we are right now. Plus 640. Well, there is a different way of trading. You trade the open, the first hour, you get the move. You know, it's not always obvious which way it's gonna go. But then once you catch the move, you make the money. And then you enter position somewhere here. You can play alongs, a little bit along here, along there, twice maybe, and just leave it, because market is balancing out right now. It's balancing out, and it can break this top and go higher, or it's gonna break this bottom. It goes lower. Oh, look where we are, in the middle. What you want to do now here? If you want to do, you can only trade the edges. But you have another, how much? 15 minutes, so you have pretty much, this is your last candle that you can trade. The last one. Because after that, the 50 candle can start to climb higher, 55, and then break up at the full hour at 11 o'clock. Or it will just drop lower, break up. Or it will do something else. It will push, take you out, because you're gonna go short. It will push here, take you out, and then it's gonna do this. Whoop, drop. And that thing here doesn't mean anything. It doesn't mean the market's gonna go up there. It's a interesting opportunity, but you don't know if they're not spoofing market. It could be just a spoofing, you know. Market will try to climb. They will get up here, take all the shorts out, and somebody who is actually, you know, spoofing the market, they're gonna withdraw this liquidity and nothing. And we'll watch that. We'll see. I think I'm pretty happy with today trading. Really bad start, but I'm really happy I kept that short. I kept this short and I added here, and then we dropped. I covered some and then I held. I think I add another one here. We covered here. It started to go down. So, we covered something into this as well. We got a little long, I think. Look at that. See this? Suddenly there's no more range. What time is it? 3:48 London time. That's 10:48. Your time if you are watching this from New York. And by London I mean UK, my friend. Not some London in your country. Look at that. No more ranging. You went to, short that thing. They will take you up here. Yeah. And now you think, oh yeah, they're gonna push now. Let me buy. Look what they're gonna do now. They're gonna pull you down again. They can't do that. Tick chart is looking good. We are pushing higher. Got 10 more minutes on this period C. But this is front running. Everybody can see that the level. So they are closing before. And we might drop even lower here. Let's check ES. ES still has got that 590 waiting patiently. Waiting patiently. Obviously 105.
Top of the hour, expecting comments from ECB's DeCos.
Yeah, you were a greedy bastard. You wanted to sell it into 61. Look at that. So you wanted to make all the money back that you lost today on this one choppy trade. Look how they're gonna pull you down right now here. See that? 9 more minutes. And nobody knows which way we're gonna break. We're gonna break down and go lower, or we're gonna break higher. I think, I mean, we opened, we're selling down, bear flag. Looks like a bear flag, right? Can go lower. And this could be a spoofing. Look at that. Look at this. See that? And where is he is? Breaking low. Breaking the low. Breaking the market structure. Alright, okay. So now they grabbed all the longs they had. You know, all the longs from this area. They just grabbed it. Let's see if we're
Senior
gonna
administration
push
official
higher.
announced proposed higher tariffs would apply to more than $1 billion on steel and
We might go
aluminum.
somewhere here to this level. Look at that. Tick chart almost 1000. Beautiful drop. Woo. What right. I think I'm just gonna
Order
take my
submitted.
cheeky long here. For a little bounce. For a little bounce. Little Boncito, 78. So we are 76. Let's see if we can get it.
Order filled.
There we go. They filled me. It's fine. But that's also scalp, my friend. That's not to hold anything. That's basically it. Level. And I'm expecting shorts to cover here. So I can grab a little bit. Just a little bit. So
Order
60,
filled.
70, fine, I'm happy with that. That brings me to 700. Lovely number. And let's see what they're gonna do next, because Nvidia just broke the law, my friend. Look at that. Nvidia breaking the law from Monday. That's looking very bearish. That is looking very bearish. Look at that. So what ES has done as well, they just grabbed everything here. Well, got 5 more minutes. Five more minutes. Look at that. Well, everybody should cover here. That's for sure. Like if I was short from here. Not always. This is minor liquidity on the buy side. Not always market's gonna push into it, right? I mean, ICT concept is great. I love it. But if you were waiting to sell into that today, didn't work. If you're waiting to sell into that, it didn't work. this might work, right? So not every level's gonna work. Not every level will work. Well, let's see if this one's gonna work. It's looking decent.
Estimates in the S&P 500 now down 0.2%. Nasdaq down 0.4%.
Where's QQQ?
Do you want to stay
Right,
up to date with the
QQQ has
latest
got
and
still
edge of news for non-farm payrolls? Then sign up today and get our special offer of Financial
4
News
points
Pro,
to go lower.
2 years worth of our service for the price of
But it doesn't mean to close this gap, but it doesn't mean it needs to do it now. It can. NQ, technically speaking, gap closes here. But that was a different contract. That was a March contract. Now we're on a June contract, so let me have a look here. So we did break that. Went even lower. Got 3 more minutes on this period. Beautiful bounce. 74. It's 30 points bounce. Don't get me wrong, this can just hold and continue higher. That would not surprise me. Because we do, I mean, whoever was selling, they already sold at this point. And we are approaching 90 minutes from open, and that means, according to Albrook's, that we have seen the high of the day or the low of the day. Is this a low?
Shortly expected.
We got like a 90, was it like 87% that we have seen a low of the day or high of the day? 87% or something like that. A huge percent. There's only 10% chance that we'll continue to the low or will continue to the high. Sorry, that will continue to the low side. It's only 10%. And yeah. Let's watch this. But look how this market is working. We had some range. They sold into this, they dropped. They sold into this. RTH. They ignored that. They dropped. Same thing here. They dropped. Now they will buy. We can continue back into the middle of the range. Or we can continue lower. Right, 4 p.m. London time, 11 New York. Oh, look at that. Doesn't want to drop anymore. Oh, now we might just go and pull up here. Draw this liquidity up here. Now we can do it. Look at that. Look at this market. I'm not gonna chase this. Too late. I'm too late. Remember when I said that? This might just continue. There you go. They did.
Bank of Korea's Ri says in the last few weeks, the Japanese yen and Chinese yuan have been very much under pressure. South Korea's won was used as hedging instruments for these currencies.
Beautiful push. So yeah, if you were trading this level, well done to you. You were holding the level. Well done to you, because you have a minor liquidity here that most likely will trade. And nobody says it's going to trade right now. They have whole 2 hours. They got 2 hours. So, because the lunch will start soon. Now we got 1 hour. They can keep buying here again. And then push. It's a huge move. 65 to 46. That's 80 points. Zero liquidity here, only liquidity up here. But let's quickly check this. Oh, they're still waiting. 17,900. Push up there. Why not? There will be a plenty of shorts here, closing position. They have been caught off guard. Oh, I'm so tempted to go long on this thing, but probably that's not a good idea. Probably we're just gonna drop here. Oh, sell and drop. Yeah, it would be nice to buy this somewhere here. Let's wait for price to come to me. We're sitting on a very handsome profit. No rush. Don't need to do anything. Yeah, the moment we touch here,
Order
they
submitted.
should buy that. Come on. Do it. A little bit more. A little bit more.
Order filled.
Boom. Got it. Okay, so again, that is going to be just a little scalp. I'm already late. Trying to grab a little bit more than 50. Yeah, you see? There we go. Ah,
Order
140. That brings us to $852. And the reason why I'm not holding this now is it's the time. Time is more important than anything else here. Than price sometimes. It is 11:08. They have another 20 minutes to chop here. We can even go lower. I can even go down here at some point. So we got another candle here. This candle can finish somewhere here. Another one will open. It will pull down. We might even pull down here to this level. I don't think we will, but because we already took major liquidity spot, liquidity level, but it's worth to notice that we do have that. There's no liquidity here on this thing at this moment. But ideal scenario would be if we have another candle dropping somewhere here, and then we push higher. So buying somewhere
Order
at this
submitted.
level would be great. Would be great, honestly. Like maybe 90. Like to break this candlesticks lows, grab the liquidity to maybe 87 or something. Let's just quickly have a look on ES. ES has got some space. Look at this. 580. So better wait. Better wait. So whoever was chasing this up there for a push into this liquidity is trapped now. So any kind of push higher into this liquidity will result of people who are long. They're going to be getting out. So what market can do is to pull these longs down here, because they will have stop losses here and they will have stop losses here and there. Most of the time they're going to just give up on this level here. I'm just going to bring that. So these longs 36, 40 level will give up at 800. That's 40 points drop. They're going to be like, nah, I was wrong. Get me out. Market will pull. Hopefully, it will turn around. and take me higher. Because first you need to take these longs out so you can go higher to push into this. But I don't even know if I'm gonna push. I wouldn't even wait that long. It's such a choppy market. It doesn't respect the levels. You know, minor levels. It does respect the major levels, but the minor levels are not respected. Yeah, that's what I want to see. I want to see now, pull those longs down, create a panic, trigger stop losses. I think I'm just gonna, yeah, it's 12 past 4, 12 past 11. 88. What is this thing here? 87, 80. That's a longer distance to the downside. Let's
Order
just wait.
canceled.
Or we can try a small position.
Order
Just 2
submitted.
points below that. And that's gonna be as well a 15-minute candle. And 15 minutes candle will have a low at the top, obviously, like any candle. When the new candle will start, when the new candle starts, it might even go lower to grab the 15-minute candle low. And then we're gonna push. Let's see. So we have these longs now panicking.
Order
All right,
filled.
let's just try it because we might get a little bounce. Nothing too big, you know, just 2 contracts, so I don't want to do anything. But we might just get a bounce. Up to 12 or something. Eight, 12, something like that.
Order filled.
Do it. It takes too long. I think we're gonna drop lower. One more minute on this candle. I'm gonna wait and wait for this 15-minute to close. The new one will open in 5 seconds, and we'll probably go and grab that bottom.
Order submitted.
Go grab the bottom or that 15-minute candle here. Now that's a 15-minute candle bottom. Let's see. Beautiful push. Waiting for that 15 minutes candle grab. That will be ideal scenario. Grab it, then start to go up and sell into the top of the 15-minute candle. That would be ideal scenario. But obviously not every time you can have ideal scenarios. even liquidity on this candle? No, it has to be here. The longer we stay here, and if we collapse, we're gonna collapse way lower. Because they're trying to pull even more longs. Attract them. And then boom. Take the stops. Yeah, that's my entry. Somewhere here. 91.85. Let's go closer. Let's go closer. $87. Yeah, let's try to grab this 87 and maybe 87.5. No. We'll have to pull down and grab that. And we'll try to scale into this. So if it goes lower, we'll add more. Another free contracts. Quickly have a look on ES. How far? Okay. They got 4 points lower. Come on, 4 points. That's like a lot on ES. On NQ. Okay, so they're pulling these longs down now. Into the 15 minutes. Come on, grab that. Come on. I mean, if we break, we're gonna go low. So I can't be so close. Maybe 85. Yeah. Either no. Have they taken it or they haven't taken it? I don't think they have taken it. They still have some space to go lower. To grab, to take the proper.
Order
There we
filled.
go. So we're in. Well, that's a good entry. All the longs from here, they basically gave what they had. This whole thing is breaking. 15 minutes candle taken. We are approaching this level, of the previous support. That was just stop loss run. So I'm pretty happy with this entry. We'll see. You got 10 more minutes. And this one we can hold a little bit longer now. Because once they grabbed all the longs, they will try to sell them at least into this level. Into this level. And that is a 20. What is it? 15. That's a 40 points. That's a 40 points range. Let's see. Patience is the key in trading. If you were impatient and you were buying this because you saw momentum, you were buying 38, 39, 40, you just gave it back 60 points lower because you had no patience. I've done it, the same thing. I have done that in the past. Been doing it all the time. But yeah, I'm not saying we're not gonna go lower. can still go lower, but it's going to be difficult to go lower because there's no liquidity down there. And market has just grabbed the stop losses. 21 past 11. That means that yeah, they want to take this 50-80. Okay, let them take it. I'm
Order
gonna
filled.
add. So now I add. Fine. Look at it. How on a down candle plus 380 delta on a down candle. Huge buying. The candle's going down, but everybody's buying it. See that? Okay. Are we gonna go there? Are we gonna go up here? Where are we going? Where are we going now? 600. Yeah, 22 past. That is SMT. I hope that is SMT. SMT. And look at it. ES is doing the same thing as Nasdaq. So they do have a little level down here, but it's RTH. Sorry, that yeah, that was electronic, so it's less relevant. There we go. Look at that, so much liquidity waiting. So much liquidity is waiting. God, I want to add into this.
Order
Just gonna
filled.
add. That's what I'm gonna do. Beautiful 1,400. And now it's just waiting. Still somebody is pressing that. Well, just patience right now, really. There's huge pressure to the upside. There's a pressure basically. You can feel out any drop. A market is like getting in and trying to buy. Oh, hopefully this will continue. I've got 4 minutes, which is also a little bit of a question whether market's not gonna break down and grab that low. So I'm watching this very careful. I would prefer if we start to go up now, but yeah, I got too cocky with this push. Didn't have to add that. But I'm gonna hold. I know that eventually market will try to climb back. This is as well the time of the day when they're not going to be initiating another move down. That's the move down happened, and now we're going to balance a little bit. There was no news. They could create additional sell-off at this point, and market will try to balance back into, let's say, POC, even the 17.840. Yeah. So lots of liquidity above, nothing below. They're just taking a time. I might start to sell if we just make a new high, new candle high. All right, so I'll just sell one. It's coming back down again. It's 28 past. Got 2 more minutes. You know what?
Order filled.
It's 950 on a day. And I'm gonna wait this 2 minutes because market can still pull below this low. It can still, this greedy fat bastards, they can pull it even lower. One level lower. So I'm gonna wait 2 minutes. And we'll see. Where is NQ? One a level lower. There you go. Three years of watching this shit, my friend. 3 years of watching this shit. Are they gonna pull it? Okay, US has taken the low and Q hasn't. Let's got a one little push. We'll see. They have space to 750. Whoa! Look at this. Look what what Nasdaq is doing. Wow. Wow. Okay, QQQ is very close to close the gap, so I'm gonna wait for the gap close on QQQ. That's literally 1-2 points away. Well, we saved ourselves a little bit. It's like a final drop, really. A killer drop. Look at that, 55. So if you were buying this, you bought here, you're done. You're done for the day. If you refuse to close, you're done for the day. That's a big number, 2,000. You can continue lower. I'm watching QQQ. I'm waiting for the gap close. It's a 62. We are trading 71. So no, that's wrong. What am I looking at? That's QQQ. QQQ 428. We need 425, so it's 3 points lower. Crazy. Look at that, minus 3,000. Would they say this is not a time to initiate another drop, another sell-off? I was wrong. But they still made some money, right? So, a little bit. Plus 958. It's okay. I'd take that any day. This was that was the moment when I was like kind of started to think that okay, wait a second, we didn't push higher, we're not pushing higher. There's still a full time, like 11:30. They can still go lower and grab everything now. And they did. Wow, look at this tick chart. From up here to minus 1,000. This market is just brutal. Brutal. Let's quickly have a look on the ES. Still got space to go to 55. That's another 13 points on ES. We're gonna close the gap on QQ if that happens. You might ask, why are you not shorting this thing? Would you short that thing? It will rip your face off at any second. Just like it did here. See that? 62, 51, that's a 90 points move. Yes.
At 11:45 a.m.
I think that's the gap I have here.
Comments from ECB's Schnabel, who speaks at International Research Forum on monetary policy challenges during uncertain times.
We need a couple of points, 61. We need 5 points more to the downside to close that gap. What was the plan today? See that? You can have a plan, right? Doesn't mean it's gonna work. It doesn't mean it's gonna work. So you have to be reactive. Okay. I think I'm gonna stop here. Don't want to trade all day. I would like to see close out this gap, to be honest. Look at that. 6-7. What? 675. Where is NVIDIA? NVIDIA is here. Okay guys, I think I'm gonna finish here. Done for the day. We are up $958. Minus commission, but that means I am up. With commission, I'm up $791. That's a decent day. Oh, look what happened. Somebody decided now. Not waiting for the liquidity. Market immediately reversing. Quickly have a look on ES. ES is still patiently waiting at 55. All right. Thanks for watching, guys. That's a real trading, right? You up, you down, or you down, and then you get into break even. You're fighting your way up. You change your mind. I wanted to go long today. It looks like going short was better. But you always have this kind of ranges when you can get some money as well. So be careful out there. And know when to walk away. Thanks for watching. This is Trap Trader from London. Bye. Like and subscribe.